So guys, this is our next project.
Oh, really?
And then we have a very generous neighbor, guys. So may extra sila niyan. So they give us the extras because it's a lot. And we bought this from Rona. And this is, here you go. This is Seb's project. Yan. So first guys, iya sa ilingin circle until it's done, and then tambakan of soil dairy. So let's wait and see. Si Heidi. So guys, the struggle here guys kay kuan bakilid. Ayan. So need to level. So this center, we can put our fire pit there. Ayan. So Siv is putting the Loctite to make it, ano guys, not moving the blocks. Ayan, perfect. Look at this flower. It's spring. It's so pretty. Can you see? Ayan. Ayan guys. So this side, I remove the rocks because we're gonna add in the front. And then now it's almost done here. Siv is still working. Look at this round fire pit. Yan si Siv. Make sure it's level. Ayan. That's my man. Hello. Ayan. So, ito guys kasi malalim siya. Parang swimming pool na to. Lagyan ng soil para level. Okay guys, so Siv used the thumper. Ayan. So, ganyan guys, hard work. Ayan. Para mas ma-level siya. Ayan. So, it's Sev's technique. So, we just search in YouTube, Google guys. So, right, almost done with a circle.
Lubas.
I see. Okay. So guys, more siya patay na grass because it's still spring in Canada. But right now it's May. Better to put the grass para mag roots pa siya. And then mag green na siya after 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, wait and see. Ayan guys, almost done with the new lawn. I'm so excited guys. Wala na siya kaning sana yatak. And then this one is the fire pit, pero need more soil. Ayan si Seb. Abog kayo. Abog. Yeah. Excited ako nga mag-green day. Excited ako nga mag-green. So here we go, guys. Almost done. Hello.
Looking great.
Thank you. How are you? Hello everybody. So another day, another sun, a little project here. Ayan guys. Tapos na yung sod. Ayan. Almost there. It's gonna be raining soon. So ayan. Look at that. It's getting there. Brown pa yung grass, but maybe after 2 weeks it's gonna be green, guys. So ayan, nag-start siya green, pero may ano pa siya, nag-start ng little green. Ayan, so natural lang siya guys, na parang patay tingnan, but it's gonna be green soon. So new lawn, new project. We're gonna have a fire pit here. So, well, let's wait and see. Ayan. Yan yung need more soil here, guys, kasi ginamit namin sa sod. And then, more blocks here. And then here you go. See? Ayan. Okay, that's all for now. So yun guys, nagtambak na si Sev of soil para i-level siya for the far pit. Naghan pa niya siya og buhatanon. Ayan. I don't know if enough ba ning 20 sack of soil. Okay, we'll see. Dagan-dagan di pa siya. It's green na ang grass, guys. Look. Okay, we'll see after this. So yun guys, nagbutang na og fabric si Sam. Ready for the pavers and the rocks. Okay, here you go. So excited. So yan guys. Almost done. Look at that. Hapit na yung tabunan di.
Huh?
Hapit na. Huwag ka itog na. So yan na guys, ang grass. May green na siya. Doon na pa siya yung mga spot na brown. Maybe like next week, mag green na siya tanan. Okay, look at this. This side. It's a bit windy, very windy. Yan, hapit na. Hi there. So yan guys, almost done. The fire pit is almost done. So excited. Look at that. Kudos to Severino Mansweten. So yan guys. Here's our fire pit. Ayan. It's done. So, ayan na siya guys. Finally. There you go. Alright. So nice. Okay guys, we're gonna light the candle para walang bugs. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We're just having a tea or coffee. Yeah. Oops. Hindi kami mag-campfire. May restrictions this month. So that's our neighbor, Jody. They're watching maybe Oilers. Ayan. Wala kedua na diri. I remember in my childhood. Yeah. There you go. And then this. Namataya siya ganang maulanan. Pagitang hiposon siya ulan pero hindi na mahipos eh. Ay, this color. Okay, so mom ni ang gihimo ni Seb guys. Amazing. Look at that. I wanted more to make more of those chair. Ayan. Berjihon kay ko aning panahon na. Akong sipon mo tulo. Ay. Ikaw daw light ani isa di? Ayan na lang, nana. So, itong grass guys, hapit na siya mag-green tanan. We'll see next week. Ayan. So, here you go. Ayan. Guys, let's check the fire pit. Ganyan siya guys. Look at this. So, ayan na ang fire pit. Nalagyan ko na siya na flowers. Then, here. Okay, ito. May candle tayo for the bugs, you know. The flowers. Okay. May flowers din tayo guys. That's so nice. So that's it. Here you go. Ayan.